How to draw a bike, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our bike today, we're going to begin by drawing a triangular shape in the center of our page. Be sure to pause or rewind the video as you need to if I ever go too fast. Next, right below the triangle that we just drew together, we're going to go ahead and draw two small shapes that are connected. These two small shapes will make the first pedal of our bike. Now, we're going to draw a total of 3 lines around the triangular shape that we first drew together. 2 lines will connect to the pedal right below. Nicely done, so far this looks great. Now, on the right hand side of our bike, we're going to go ahead and draw a second triangular shape. This will help us make the back wheel. Now to finish drawing this section of the frame of our bike, we're going to go ahead and outline the triangular shape that we just drew. Just like I said earlier, be sure to pause or rewind the video as you need to. All done drawing that outline? If so, let's continue. Next, we're going to draw a circle shape right by the pedal. This will help us create the chain of our bike. And if you're new to the channel, or if you haven't watched Learn How to Draw Hub yet before, be sure to subscribe and like this video so you continue to see more videos just like this. Now, moving over to the right hand side, let's go ahead and draw the back wheel of our bike. This will mainly consist of 3 circular shapes. Great job! In just a few moments, we're going to begin to draw the front section of our bike, but before we do that, let's go ahead and draw the second pedal. Next, a little to the left, we're going to begin to draw the front frame of the bike along with the wheel attached. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention this earlier. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. So with that being said, be sure to grab your markers, colored pencils, or crayons. Nice! So now that we have the front wheel drawn, we can now go ahead and begin to connect this part of the bike to the rest of the bike. We will connect this by making the handlebars, which will connect to the back side. Drawing the handlebars will definitely be one of the most tricky parts of today's video, so be sure to be extra careful during this step. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention this earlier in the video. Keep in mind that we always take drawing requests, so be sure to comment something that you would like to see drawn in our channel if you have not seen it drawn yet. Be sure to comment it down below. Nice! Our handlebars look fantastic. Next, let's go to the right hand side, up top, and draw the seat. All done? If so, let's continue. Next, on the inside of the wheels of our bike, we're going to go ahead and draw the spokes by drawing simple lines. Now for the final step of today's video before we color in our drawing, we're going to go ahead and draw the chain of our bike. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a bike. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope it was helpful. Great job today and thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this a big like and subscribe for more videos just like this. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.